we're making it out today, going to one of my favorite spots I've ever found. Parking lot, falling off a cliff to the water. So it's beautiful here. It's a private neighborhood, which is why I don't come here too often, but when I do, absolutely love it. But stopped to try to do an intro to kind of get you guys to bite on this video. What did I spend $1,000 on the bobber? Essentially, spent $1,000, but what was it actually on, and was it worth it? So now that we're here, what did I do? I got the 20K service done, got the valves adjusted, which I highly recommend you guys doing it. Don't skimp out on the service because I kind of had a feeling that the valves needed to be adjusted. 6 out of the 8 needed to be adjusted, so super happy. Bike definitely runs happier, and I think it was money well spent. So have another 20K to go. Actually just rolled 16,000, but doesn't hurt to get stuff done a little bit early. So yeah, super stoked on that. Excited to be out today. Got here with the gas light on because do you guys ever think about like scammers or whatever, like taking your PIN from the gas pumps? Because that has been a thing around where I live. So I've been trying to use the little tap to pay thing, and the 2 gas stations I stopped at, it didn't work. But yeah, it's beautiful here. It is also hot. It's like mid 80s, almost 90, high humidity, and with the sun, it's definitely hotter than that. So came here to fly the drone, have some nice time, see what footage I can get, and yeah, just have a beautiful day out. I need to figure out a new way to carry my mirrorless camera because I've been getting spoiled riding without a backpack. It's just so much nicer, and it still blows my mind that for like over a year, I never did one ride without a backpack. And now I don't think I can go back, but yeah, let's see what I can get with the drone. All right, so I'm gonna call it a wrap here. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And I will see you guys in the next one.